KebG weather overview, looking at the wintry weather for Monday night into Tuesday. This is something that we have not had to deal with for much, if not all, of the winter. And I think for the immediate New York City five boroughs, Long Island, and urban New Jersey, I think that this is going to be much ado about nothing. We have a strong southeasterly wind that is going to be pumping in off the Atlantic Ocean tomorrow, and we also have temperatures that are only going to be marginally cold enough at the coast. But the areas in blue here, I think, stand a good chance of seeing 3 to 6 inches of snow. And that would include most of the state of Connecticut, most of the Hudson Valley, including Westchester, most of northeast and northern New Jersey. And the area that could do very well is over Orange County and for points near Poughkeepsie, because they stand the highest chance of seeing at least 4 inches of snow. And that's what we're looking at here on this graphic. So everywhere in blue here, I think stands a good chance to see between 3 and 6 inches of snow. And for everybody else, I think the chances are much less. I think we're looking at a situation where along the coast, it's going to be very hard pressed to get any type of accumulating snow across the area for the upcoming storm. Now, as we look at the evolution of this, we should be very dry tomorrow with just increasing clouds. By the time we get into around 7 or 8 o'clock, snow is going to break out everywhere across the entire tri-state area, but in short order, in those areas that are nearest to the coast, you're going to see that snow change over to a mix and even like some plain old rain, as we've been accustomed to. But over the Hudson Valley in Connecticut, I think it could snow rather hard for 3 or 4 hours between about 10 p.m. and about 3 a.m. So there will be time to clean this up on Tuesday morning for the sanitation crews. We're looking at that general area of 3 to 6 inches of snow, but I think the heaviest of the snow is winding down before the morning rush really gets going on Tuesday morning, as the models are kind of speeding everything up. Now, once that storm goes by, this is the GFS's version of it, and once that storm goes by, we're looking at basically dry conditions for most of Tuesday and into Wednesday before a front tries to move through. And this front is going to set up our next storm. So this is for Thursday morning. We'll see some showers move through here, but the main story will be a potential coastal storm for Friday. And this storm has been trending warmer as of late, especially on the GFS runs. You can see an area of rain just pushing through with some heavy snow on the back side of it, but nowhere near the tri-state area. So if the GFS holds its current forecast track, which I think it will, I think we'll be looking at rain chances for the end of the week and nothing really significant as far as wintry weather is concerned. Now, we had a mild day today, but we cool it down for tomorrow. This is Monday with highs only around 41. Tuesday, highs around 42 in the wake of the rain and snow that will be affecting much of the area tomorrow night into very early on Tuesday morning. Wednesday, back up to 47 under mostly sunny skies. And then Thursday, we're even warmer than that, but there's going to be plenty of clouds around. But look at this, highs around 57, 58 degrees as a warm front tries to push through like it did last Thursday, but to no avail. So those temperatures might be too high in and around the city. Then for Friday, it looks like mainly a cold, dreary rain with highs around 42. But maybe that storm at the end of the week will change. It doesn't look like it, though. It's trending warmer on the models, at least from the last few runs that I've seen. But the overall scenario with the snow goes back to this idea that the areas in blue stand to get a 3 to 6 inch snowfall for Monday night and Tuesday. And you can see that down towards the city and the island, much less of a chance of an accumulating snow for Tuesday morning. I think it ends before the morning rush, so there will be time to clean this up north and west.